Hello, viewers, and welcome to my channel again. Today, I'm trying to explain you the concept of sexual division of labor in India. Let me repeat the topic: sexual division of labor in India. The children of class 10 CBSE might be aware of this term as they have studied it in chapter number 3, Civics, Gender, Caste, and Religion. Children's sexual division of labor means that in India we have a concept that certain work are only for the males and certain kind of work is only for the females. For example, if we talk about cleaning, cooking, washing, it is in our mind that it belongs to the female gender only. If some child says that today my father has washed the clothes, or my father has mopped the home, or he did all the dusting, we are a little surprised और say हाँ इसके पापा ने आज कपड़े धोए हैं, आज इसके पापा ने ना पोछा लगाया है, because we have that thing in our thoughts. On the other hand, the work outside home is being done by the males in India, what we think, but this is not very prevalent in abroad. In foreign country, there is no sexual division of labor. In abroad, all kind of work is done by all kind of people, male or female. There is no sexual division of labor. Even the men do the babysitting at home and the females go to work outside. There the concept is not gender biased. But in our country and other Asian countries also, but especially I'm talking about India. So don't forget class 10 CBSE, sexual division of labor. There is another term, patriarchy. Why it is so? Because India is male dominant society. India एक पुरुष प्रधान समाज है, patriarchy, where the men are the leaders, they are the home head, the head of the family. So patriarchal society we have in India. So we have sexual division of labor, the concept in our mind. If the women is working for 2 o'clock in the 2 a.m., we say, oh, the lady is coming by late evening or late night. The man is not working, he is doing the babysitting. Oh, इसके पापा काम नहीं करते हैं, babysitting करते हैं. It is not so in abroad. So mind it and take care. Bless you all and keep watching. Thank you.